Naghain ang legal counsel ng Sunshine Media Network International o SMNI ng motion for reconsideration hinggil sa desisyon ng National Telecommunications Commission na suspindihin ang nasabing network. Hinihiling nitong ipaliwanag ng ahensya ang kanilang mga violations sa ilalim ng Certificate of Public Convenience o CPC. Gayun din ang hiling nito sa MTRCB na idetalye ang mga lalabag na mga patakaran at irekonsidera ang suspension ng dalawang programa na gikan sa masa para sa masa, kung saan host si former President Rodrigo Duterte at laban kasama ang bayan na host naman si former Government Anti-Communist Task Force spokesperson Lorraine Badoy at Jeffrey Celis. Tinanggap naman ng MTRCB ang nasabing motion ng SMNI kung saan masusi nila itong pag-aaralan.
Argument natin, number one, freedom of press, freedom of expression, and public issues. We have the right to be informed of the nature and cause of the accusation. When we say presumed unconstitutional, sila mismo ang magpresenta ng ebidensya na tama yung ginagawa nila, constitutional. Kung hindi sila makapresenta ng clear and present danger rule as a basis for their ruling, the presumption will prevail. And that presumption is the ruling of the MTRCB are presumed unconstitutional.